Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how my eyelashes look and feel with the usage of Rapidlash. So I've been using Rapidlash for about 3 months now. During the past few months, I want to say in last March, I had gotten eyelash extensions, and don't get me wrong, I love eyelash extensions. I was wearing them for about a year, and during the summertime, I actually just wanted to give my eyelashes a break. So um, it's a real fib that when people say that you have eyelash extensions, that you lose your eyelash and you never get that eyelash back. Now, that's not true. When my eyelash extensions were coming off, I had seen that I did lose a couple of eyelashes. And then when they were starting to fall off, when I did not have any more eyelash extensions on, my eyelashes, they were growing back, but they were really short. So I always had longer eyelashes to begin with. So during the summertime, my best friend, her eyelashes were so beautiful, and I just kept thinking that she had eyelash extensions. So I had asked her, I'm like, what are you using? And she goes, well, I'm using Rapidlash. And I had no idea about this product. So she bought it at Ulta, and I said, you know what? I'm going to try this, and I'm going to see. So this is the Rapidlash. So this is actually the first bottle that I have, and I did not purchase any more. I'm still using this one applicator. Now, this says Rapid Lash Eyelash Enhancing Serum, and it's 0.1 fluid ounce. Now, I'm going to just tell you a little about what it said on the box when I received it. So I'm actually looking at the Ulta website, and when you get it in the box, it says that 88% experienced improvement in the appearance of their lashes, 86% had experienced fuller looking lashes, and 86% experienced thicker, stronger, and longer looking lashes in just 8 weeks. Now, I'm going to tell you, it is true. You do have to wait a while. Like, you're not going to see your eyelashes grow in phenomenally in like 1 week. There are a couple of times where I did not use Rapidlash at night, but I did use it almost every single night. And I'll be honest with you, the first week I actually used it in the morning before I put my makeup on, and then I used it when I went to sleep at night. So right now, I just want to show you how my lashes look. This is after 3 months. So right now, I have mascara on, and I'm going to show you how they look with the mascara on. I also put the Rapidlash on the bottom of my eyelid as well. Now, even when I have eyelash extensions on, my left eye has eyelashes that are growing out straight, and it gets so hard sometimes to curl my lashes because they still come out straight. But I'm telling you, every single eyelash has grown dramatically since this Rapidlash, and in a little bit, I'm going to just show you how I put it on. These are pictures from 3 months ago, so I'm going to give you the before and after. So as you guys can see, my eyelashes did grow. Now, I don't know when I'm going to get eyelash extensions again, but I'm actually really, really happy with the way this looks. So Rapidlash is for those of you that do not want to spend a lot of money on eyelash extensions, because eyelash extensions can be a little bit costly. The first application can run you anywhere from $80 to about $200, and then when you do the fill-ins, it costs less. But still, if you want to just grow out your eyelashes normally, so Rapidlash on Ulta is $50. I really do think that it was a good investment, but again, guys, you have to use it every single day. Now, honestly, before I started using this, I saw that my eyelashes were actually falling out a lot. So the past months that I've been using this, I want to say that after I wash my face, I've seen maybe 3 eyelashes fall out, and that's about it. So this is a good claim. Now, again, in those pictures, as you guys seen, I have light hair, so my eyelashes are a little bit lighter in the first picture that you see. Dramatically, they have changed, so that they have gotten darker, more lush, so like there's more eyelashes, and again, they've gotten longer. Also, if you guys could see on the bottom, I have very, very, very short, small eyelashes on the bottom, and I just put some mascara on them, and honestly, I never really bothered paying attention to my lower eyelashes, but I do sometimes put the Rapidlash on them at night. Like I just do a swipe, and I'm going to show you guys right now how I do it. Rapidlash claims on the box that you must have clean eyes, your eyelids and your lashes when you put this serum on. You don't want to have oils that are going to mix with this. So I'm going to tell you exactly how I put it on. Now, since we are filming, I'm going to just take off my eyelash mascara and my makeup with these makeup wipes, and I will be right back. So before using this product, what I did was I actually put the Rapidlash on my hand just to make sure it was a safety test, because sometimes I am allergic to products and sometimes my skin is very sensitive to the products that I use. So I just did a patch test on my arm. The first time I put Rapidlash on, my eyes were stinging a little bit, so I don't know if I put it on properly. I might have put on too much. I might have got some in my eyes because I didn't lay on my back that night, so it probably did get into my eyes. But I'd say about after 20 minutes, it was gone. You know, your tears actually take out whatever serum or whatever you have on your eyes. So I just think that it's either I used too much or just my eyes were kind of getting used to it. Now, I had no side effects at all. I checked my eyelids and where my lashes, where they start, so there was no redness, there was no sensitivity. Again, you have to just make sure that you properly use it right. Now, I've been seeing, other reviewers on here that have spoken about Rapidlash, but I really wanted to just see a video on how does one apply this. So I'm going to just show you right now how I apply it. Okay, as you guys can see, now I have no makeup on this eye. I took the concealer off. I took my mascara from the top lashes and the bottom lashes off, and I had eyeliner on my inner rims. All right, now if you guys can notice, here is the right eye with my mascara on. If you guys could see how closely, these are the bottom lashes, how they look with the mascara, and the top. So again, these are not fake eyelashes. These are my real lashes when I using Rapidlash. All right, now, so these eyelashes here, they have no makeup on them. All right, so we're going to take the Rapidlash. Oops. Here we go. Let's see. Focus that in. All right. Okay, so this is how the tip looks. All I do is I move my skin like this to make it more flatter, and then I'm going to go from the tip, from the inner rim, and I'm going to put the serum on, just like you're putting eyeliner on. Smooth that out. Make sure you get the end of your lashes. Okay. Try it again. All right. Now, what I do, I'm gonna actually, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put it back, take a little bit off, and then this is what I felt really helped with the growing of them. So now I'm gonna just go like this, and I'm putting it I'm putting it right on, right, this is where I'm putting it. Be careful not to get this in your eye. Okay, you guys see that? So I'm pulling the eyelash up. I'm making sure I was putting them right at the beginning of where your eyelashes grow. And I'm going to just air this real quick. Now, if you do happen to get some of the serum in your eyes, immediately go to the sink and wash it off with cool water. And now, with the remaining product, what I do here is just with this, not with the brush, because there's leftover. There's leftover actually. There's leftover on like the applicator. So I'm gonna just go like this and get a nice coating, like you're putting mascara on. And then the brush, the tip, what I just do, see, you can't even see like the bottom of my eyelashes so much. The bottom ones, I'm gonna just coat them a little, just like this. I'm not even gonna go by the inner rim. And there you have it. You can't see any formula on it,